When it comes to learning Mandarin Chinese, tones can be a big headache for many learners. Some people told me that they couldn't hear the difference between tones, and some people told me they couldn't feel the changing of the tones. And sometimes I hear people say, "Oh, I love panda." They say, 我喜欢胸毛. 胸毛 is not panda. 熊猫 is panda. So instead of saying, I love panda, people are saying, I love chest hair. 胸毛 actually means chest hair. So that shows how important it is for learners to get the right tone. So in order to make tone more touchable, I drew some analogy. Okay. So the first tone, when you pronounce the first tone, you imagine you are a boiling kettle. How does a boiling kettle sound like? It's like, right? It's high and flat. It's, so if put the tone in the language, take ah, the vowel as example, it's ah, right? Can you hear? It's high and flat. Ah, it's like a boiling kettle, right? And the second tone is like you're seeing something bizarre and you're like, what? What? It goes up. So the vowel ah in Chinese as example, it pronounces ah, ah, what, right? And the third tone, imagine it is a car driving in a huge pit. So it goes, right? Goes low and up. So, take the vowel as example, it's ah, ah. It's going very low. You can imagine this is the road, this is the pit. The pit is under the ground. So it's very low. When you pronounce the third tone, you think about the pit. Ah, right? And for the first tone, it's like somebody, this naughty person, hits this person. And this person got hurt and said, ah, ah, right? Like, don't hit me, ah, it hurts. So the fourth tone sounds like, ah. So you must wondering the chart above those analogies. And then, I did many research on Chinese tones, recording myself talking. And then this is the result I got. So what I did was I had a 0 in the middle and plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. The first tone is the highest tone, so it's plus 2. You see, it's high and flat. Ah. Right? The second tone starts from the middle line. And the flat a little bit and go up. So it's ah. Ah. Right? The third tone, as we talked about as the car driving the pit, it's under the floor, so it's low. So it's ah, 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 ah. So you can feel your throat here. Ah. Right? And then the fourth tone starts from the highest level plus 2 to kind of minus 1.5. So it's ah, ah. Let's review a little bit. So the first tone in Chinese is like a boiling kettle. So it's ah, right? The second tone in Chinese is like you saw something bizarre. What? Right? It's ah, ah. Right? The third tone is like a car driving the big pit under the ground. It's ah, ah. The fourth tone is like you get hit